Hello everyone, my name is Akash Chakraborty. I am a BA graduate from Netaji Subhas University in 2019. Recently, I completed a 45 days IT internship at Evision Technosol, and I'm really happy to share my experience. So during the internship, I learned practical skills in Commission Network Plus, CCNA fundamentals, Windows administrations, computer hardware, ITIL, and basic IT infrastructure. So the training was practical and helped me to understand how IT works in real organizations. I'd like to sincerely thanks to Prasenjit sir, Rahul sir, Prince sir, and Apurvu sir for their continuous guidance and support. They always encourage us to learn with practical examples and patiently clear our doubts. And special thanks to Priya ma'am who supported me throughout my job search. Her guidance, motivation, and placement support gave me a lot of confidence. So I'm happy to share that I've selected as a coordinator for the TCS Chroma project through SBN Systec India Private Limited. I truly appreciate the efforts of the entire division team. And so, if you are planning to build a career in IT support, digital support, technical support, I highly recommend it, Evision Technosol. Thank you so much.